Welcome to AI Sitex, your full-stack website and course agency business launcher. In this quick demo, we'll show you how you can effortlessly create stunning websites, courses, and deploy DIY AI agents in any niche on complete autopilot. First, log into your AI Sitex dashboard. From here, you can choose what you want to do. Build a website, create a course, or deploy an AI agent. Let's build a website. Simply click on the Website menu. Here you have the option to build a website from scratch. Build using our professionally pre-built DIY template and build with AI. Now let's build a website with AI by clicking on Use AI option. The AI-powered website creation chat opens. Enter the type of website you want to create and select a primary goal. AI suggests the NAV menus and you click on Proceed to continue. You can also select your preferred design style, whether you want it to be professional and clean, bold and converting, dynamic and interactive, and so on. You choose how you would want the website to look, one page or multi-page. Perfect. AI has everything needed to build your website. Click on Yes, please create my website. AI then proceeds to instantly build a polished website, ready for publishing. Use the drag and drop editor to tweak anything, add your branding, and publish in minutes. Need a course? Click on the Course menu. Again, the AI-powered course creation chat opens. Enter a topic and select which level of audience the course is intended for, whether beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You can also choose if you would like to add a quiz or download file to the course. Perfect. AI has everything needed to creating your course. Click on Yes, please create my course. AI then proceeds to instantly create a full, SEO-optimized course for you in seconds, complete with course overview, modules, contents, and quiz. But that's not all. AI Sitex allows you to create and deploy AI sales agent for your website, an AI course agent for your course with just a few clicks. See AI agents in actions. Now in mere minutes you can effortlessly launch a fully automated website and course agency business in minutes, equipped with DIY AI-driven agents. Without tech hassles, paying for expensive software, or monthly fees. Ready to launch your website and course agency business? Start using AI Sitex today.